problem based on moment of force, where we have to consider the line of action and the shortest distance of the pivot from the line of action. All forces here are of 40 Newton, and it is given that AB in all cases is of 80 centimeter. This entire system is pivoted at A. So whatever distance has to be taken from A. So first of all the forces are equal. Does that mean all the torques will be equal? No, because torque depends on torque F into D or F into S, where D stands for the shortest distance between the line of action of force and the pivot. So let us draw the line of action of force. Never take the point of application of force. You will make a big blunder. So line of action for this is this straight line. This is your D. This is your line of action and this is your shortest distance D. Here again, the forces acting somewhat like this. This is your line of action and this is your D. So these two forces will have the same magnitude of torque because D and F are same. Let's talk about this force. This is the line of action and a perpendicular drawn from the pivot will be the shortest distance. Can you see this is your D? If you look at this geometrically, AB is your hypotenuse and ACB is a right angle triangle at C. So AC can never be longer than the hypotenuse. And let us look at this. Now don't make a mistake of trying to draw a perpendicular here. This line of action even extends in the backward direction. So this will be your D. Double dash. Identify the wrong statement. A and D are in the same direction. They are only talking about direction. A causes anti-clockwise movement. What about D? D is also causing anti-clockwise movement. Their magnitude is not same but direction is same. So this is a correct statement. Magnitude of torque is maximum for A and B. That's correct because this length D is the largest. For both these cases, directions are opposite but magnitude is maximum for both of them because here the D gets smaller. Magnitude of moment of force is maximum for D. It's not because this is the D. Many students, they just take the force in the direction that it is. They do not produce it backwards. So what they do is they think, this must be the perpendicular. So obviously this is the largest. No, it can be extended backwards also. Direction will remain this. The line of action is infinite. So it has to be the shortest distance from this infinite line, which can be on the back side. So it's a very clever question and this is wrong. And the fourth option, magnitude of torque, is more for A as compared to C. Yes, it is because this is F into D and this is F into D dash and D dash is smaller than D.